Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna do a barrel, and for you Shift A, and we go to cylinder and we take it to 16. Then we go to edit mode and we go 1 and we take 2 and we go to make this and we scale it like so, and then scale almost, scale more, like so. Then we control B. No, it's wrong. Shift Alt and Control B, and like so. Then we extrude, and before we do that we have to go to inline orders and extrude, scale, and now we get a round edge, there are straight edge, nothing like upper fourth or something. Then we go to face, extrude, scale, like so, extrude like so. Then we go to the other side, extrude, scale, extrude, down. Now we have a barrel, and thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.